Walley TheRapper, Walley Chaje, Team Chaje, Daniel's on the beat, and the host got a hit. I don't give a damn on what I think. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad over anything. You know, let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. Okay, they are my fans, I ain't call them haters. And the host got a hit, I don't give a damn on what I think. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad over anything. Let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Most of them hurt, they won't tell. I've tried to be great, they've never felt love, but who hate me instead. I see I'm moving on, they say I'm moving wrong, but it's my choice. Trust, I put it in who I want to. Nobody's perfect, I'ma get one too. Real ones, keep my circle small. Team that Chaje, high-minded kings. We got a dream to keep winning. These ones gon' hate, motivating us to make it further while we grinding, high-minding, keep shining, hard working right now. My songs, they can never get rid of. That's legendary work, fake niggas got kicked off of beats. They wanna beast always, young nation rebel be the beast all say. These hoes gon' hit, I don't give a damn. I'm a new fun man, although I look the same. I'm pleasing myself, got a new mindset. Team Chaje, tout le monde est présenté. Sous track Sauni, Mr. Walley TheRapper. I'm pleasing myself. I know who's got a hit, I don't give a damn on what I think. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad over anything. You know, let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. Okay, they are my fans, I ain't call them haters. I know who's got a hit, I don't give a damn on what I think. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad over anything. Let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. They act like they hate you, cause they wanna be you. When I used to chase you, you ignored. Now, don't come back to me, talking about love story, cause I've moved on with my life. You didn't want me at my worst, you want redress at my best time. Be hard life, these hoes wanna be my wife. I'm using my mind, trying to make a dime. Keep on the grind, the best on the ground, keeping it strong. Against me or wrong, my pen wasn't for long. Anytime I fell down, I get back up stronger. Practice the perfect God. I'm just being real. The truth I'm about to reveal. I know it hurts, y'all. Can never get me killed. The most y'all can do is to keep on heading. But I'm motivated just to keep on winning. The most y'all can do is to keep on heading. But I'm motivated just to keep on winning. I know. And the host got a hit, I don't give a damn on what I think. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad over anything. You know, let them follow me, my motivators. They are my fans, I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. Okay, they are my fans, I ain't call them haters. And the host got a hit, I don't give a damn. Daniel's on the beat. I'ma keep doing me, get them mad. Team Chaje, INT. Let them follow me, my motivators. Walley TheRapper. I ain't call them haters. Let them follow me, my motivators. My beat become my strength coming soon. TheRapper.